Hey there, and welcome to another episode of the Grant Akin Show. It's the first Tuesday of the month, and you know what that means. We're going to be taking a look back at the month that was here in the market in Delavan to see what sense we can make of things. So let's take a look at December 2020. For the month, we had 6 new homes listed. As of this recording, there are currently 31 listings that are active, and of those 31, 10 of them are already under contract with contingencies. So we've got fewer homes being listed during the month of December, which isn't a big surprise. Selling over the holidays isn't generally very popular. And we've got almost a third of the market currently under contract. So as usual, if you aren't sure about what homes are available, make sure you're working with a trusted real estate advisor to kind of know what's actually available, because sometimes the realtor.coms, the Zillows don't always have the most up-to-date information as far as which homes are in fact available. So if we take a look at our year-to-date numbers, we see that in Delavan, we've sold 217 homes this year, which is up a little bit from this time last year. Looking at the average sales price for a home here in Delavan year to date, we see that it's now just under $307,000, which for the year is still up about 20%, and even from November, it went up as well. The cumulative days on market for the average home here in Delavan are now at 79, which from this time last year is still down about 14%. Homes are still selling quicker across the board. If we look at the median sales price for a home here in Delavan, remember that middle point, that's still $220,000. All right, that didn't change from November 2020, but from December 2019, that is still up. All right, we still see that average, that middle home still selling for more money, and the cumulative days on market for that home is down at 30. So that is year to date still way down. That's way faster than homes were selling this time last year. And lastly, if we take a look at our month inventory for here in Delavan, we see that it's 2.12 months worth of inventory. So what does this mean? Well, if we take a look back at the data dumps from previous months, we see that fewer and fewer homes are being listed. The supply is much more limited than other times of the year, but we're still seeing strong sales numbers. We've sold more homes this year than we did last year despite the pandemic. And so the demand is still high. It's just that the supply is low, so we've got low inventory. So if the buying trends continue, we're going to run out of homes in 2.12 months. So what do all these numbers mean for you? Well, if you're in Delavan, it's still a great time to sell. Home prices are way up. Demand for homes is still very strong, but what works in your favor is that inventory is very low. There's less competition for your home. Buyers have fewer options to choose from, and that will help sell your house. If you're looking to buy, honestly, it's still a good time to buy. Because even though there's fewer homes available and the competition is still a little bit stronger, interest rates are still so low. And so if you can find the home that you want, you are still going to have a lower monthly payment this year than this time last year. So, as always, I would love to help contextualize these numbers for you even more specifically, or even if you're outside of Delavan, I would love to sit down and look at market statistics in any market that you find yourself in. But other than that, I hope you guys found some value in this. I love you guys. Any love you throw to the channel would be appreciated, and I'll talk to you later.